New back end on that.
Put a whole new back end on what? What you talking about? What is you talking about?
I'm talking about your car. I'm talking about your car, son.
What about it?
It wasn't that big. I don't know. You put a new back end on it, I guess.
A whole new back end?
I don't know what you did, but the car wasn't this big.
The car wasn't.
Like fuck you.
We made it wider. We put a wide body on it. That's why it looks so wide.
I knew it was up, but I knew it wasn't this big. But you thinking I'm stupid? This was not the car. This can't be the same car.
It's the same car.
And I kept looking. I'm like, something wrong with it.
Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's the same car.
Oh no, it is something. I mean, well, you already told me. Now you made it wider on the backside.
Yep, all wide. Buns out here. Hold on.
They think I'm stupid though. I know the cars that my son be having. Shit, I wasn't retarded. Hello.
I'm done. Get out of it. Let me do this piece of the video so I can go.
I gotta do some work.
I'm trying to do the intro, woman.
Oh, my bad.
Okay. And what up? What's good with y'all? So I just wanted to let y'all know right now that I am about to start using the wide angle lens on here again. Before I was looking at videos and stuff, I was like, it has like a little distortion, blah blah blah. You can see like little prickle things and stuff like that on the videos. But I've noticed from watching other people's videos that a lot of people's videos have those little prickles on them. So yeah, I'm not about to stress off of it. Like right now, everything looks clear. It's just from certain angles when the sun hits it, you get the little prickles. But yeah, I'm gonna start using the wide angle lens again, get more into the video and stuff like that. So for example, I'm gonna show y'all real fast on what I'm talking about. Like right here, there's nothing, and then like see right there, there's like a little dot, and there's another little dot right there. But then when you step out the sun, it goes away. So that's just how the sunlight hits the lens and all the other stuff. So I'm not gonna stress off it. Like I had a pimple right here too. But we're jumping back into the routine of things. And I'm looking forward to getting at least one of these cars ready to start sliding. At this point, I don't care which car starts sliding. I'm just ready to slide. Last video was stupid fun being back in the driver's seat. I enjoyed myself. So I'm like on this mission to get something done so I can start driving again. It's like I'm ready and I need to get something done. Quick 350Z update. Y'all seen me getting the new motor and everything like that. So it does have a built motor now. The old motor's out. New motor's getting ready to go in. We finally actually got some sun. It's been raining like crazy over here, but we finally got some sun, so I'm about to mess with the SC a little bit, but I just wanted to give y'all a little quick update on what's been going on with the 350. So big change in plans. Ordered a new fuel pump. I'm ordering a bigger crank pulley, and I'm also running a bigger supercharger pulley. The reason for the big crank pulley is so we can basically spin the blower faster and get more boost. So with the bigger crank pulley, it actually helps a lot with increasing the boost on the supercharger, because superchargers all work off the pulleys and stuff like that. And the problem is when I'm running the crank pulley with the smaller 287 pulley to get more boost, is you don't have enough wrap on the actual cog pulley itself, and you start getting belt slip to where you're supposed to be at 14 pounds, but you're kind of holding 12 pounds at red line. So with the bigger crank pulley, I can actually run a bigger pulley on the supercharger. That way I have more belt wrap around it, and I can spin it fast enough to where I'll run more boost. So before I was running about 12 to 14 pounds, whereas now with the new fluid dampener crank pulley and the 312 pulley that I'm going to be running, the supercharger should put out anywhere from 17 to 21 pounds, maybe even more, I'm not sure, but I'm aiming for that margin. So I am switching the 350Z over to E85 and all the other good stuff. So the 350Z might end up being my second fastest car. Before, my 300ZX made more power than the 350Z, and it was lighter, but now the 350Z should be it should be pretty grande for the new setup that's coming out. The SC, y'all already know this motor's blown, so I'm in the middle of getting another motor built. But since the 350Z, before the 350Z made 427, we backed it down to about 410ish, somewhere around there. But now it's definitely gonna be it's gonna be up there. I'm not sure where, but it's definitely gonna be more than what the SR should be putting out. The SEO setup was 800 plus, but this motor blew up, so y'all already know I'm in the middle of getting another motor built. But since the 350Z blew up, the money I had saved up for the SE ended up going towards getting the 350Z all done, because that is the daily, so that is the first priority for me. So what I'm about to get into today is I'm going to be cleaning up the wiring on the 350Z. This car, I mean 350Z, getting cars confused because now I'm telling you about too many stuff. We're gonna rewind this. So what I'm going to be getting into today I'm going to be fixing the wiring on the Sc300. My boy wanted a video of how my surge tank was set up, and then when I popped the trunk, I was like, you know what, the wiring around here is pretty poop, and it was lightweight embarrassing. So yeah, I need to clean up the sub wiring on here. I was gonna pull everything out because I went through this moment where I was gonna go full retard and gut this whole thing and make a full drift car, but it's like that. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. I put a lot of money into the sound system on this car. It has crossovers and all the other stuff, door speakers, 4-channel amp, 2-channel amp, has a DVD player deck and all that other stuff. So I'm not about to remove that. This is still going to continue to be a street car, even though it will slide. It's still gonna be a street car, so I'm about to keep everything in here, but I am about to start cleaning it up. But I need to move Aaron's car out the way, and then I'm gonna push this back a little bit, and then I'm gonna just get in here and start cleaning up the wiring on this thing for a quick second. This was supposed to be bringing a hood for this thing. Oh, come on. Side note, one thing we really need to do, like ASAP, is fix my man's roof though. Definitely gotta fix this roof. Get my boy A1. Don't judge me though. That part. So this is what I'm about to be cleaning up. This is a mess. Bad. Even though this amp is garbage, this is still bad. I feel embarrassed even showing y'all this, but whew, it is what it is. Eventually I'm probably gonna just have Janky probably just make a metal sheet right here. That way I can just sit the amps and have them all mounted down. Plus I can throw the sub back in here, but yeah, this is pretty embarrassing.
I am such an icon living, my eyesight strong, I got Nikon vision. When you an icon, it make icons listen, and I may fuck around and go icon this one. Woo! Listen to my icon words, I manipulate metaphors cause icon words. They say I got icon skirt, word? I say nigga I concur, swerve. Getting straight at them, bet they didn't anticipate that one. My bars like biblical science, I could even manipulate atoms, yuck. About to have icon struck, the next body of work that icon struck. Gonna shift the paradigm, leaving icon struck. The way I put it together, tell your icon duck.
Still need to move the power wire over the neck, but my back hurt, tired of bending over the stupid thing. So this is a cool little stopping point right here. Definitely clearer than what it was, just wanted to get all that mess out of there. Yeah, I'll probably need to let this thing idle for a minute just to get this E85 circulating through. Hate letting E85s just sit like that. This thing was stupid dead. Had to use that boy Aaron car to jump this thing. Still dead. Said he was on his way right now, so he should be here in the next couple minutes. I guess he went and bought a hood for his car. That way we ain't got to be sitting out here with no hood, or when he decides to drive it, he ain't got to be driving it with a hood or minus a hood, however that goes. What up, boy?
Man.
What if I trip you?
Yeah. You trying to fuck up my shoes?
Fuck up the shoes and make you fall on your face. Why you trying to run, boy? Hey, you need a hand with that?
Nope. I did at first.
Hey, Janky did that to me, bro. I was at the track changing the axles on the SC.
Yeah.
All day at the drag strip when I had broke him. As soon as I'm lowering the car, he like, hey, you need a hand with that? I'm like, bruh. It's all this wiring.
Oh, no.
You scare me. Don't be popping up on me like that.
That's okay. You be doing all of this?
Me, my friends, but yeah, something like that. Man, before you lock it, this car got a hood latch, right?
Yeah. I don't know. I just thought about it.
Hey, before we put this thing down, it'd be in the belly. He just trying to show off and show you a start.
Listen, because I was talking hella shit.
Man, you so black.
I'm popping. You see all the listeners?
You black.
Bro! Get that camera off of me.
You
That like y'all YouTubers, y'all be like, this is what y'all do? Did you like hella popping down? You like a celebrity?
come on, bruh. Who told you to buy this big ass battery?
You?
I tell you, you came over here with this.
Nigga, you went to Walmart, nigga.
Hey, it ain't my fault we didn't have a hood.
That's true.
Hey, it could have been worse though. This could have been the positive terminal that was touching the hood. At least it's the negative. Is you gonna help him or nah? You see him struggling? Help him.
You help him.
Then you gonna put the camera on me, then you just watch, huh?
Yeah, I'm vlogging, bruh. Can't help when I'm vlogging. Help him, girl.
I don't know how.
You ever made up a bed?
No, I don't do that.
It's just like making up a bed.
Is this really a bed sheet? It's covered.
It's like a bed sheet. Might as well be. A waterproof bed sheet. How about that?
Is it in there?
Oh, the struggle is real.
Michael, how about you help and put that camera down?
When they both uncoordinated.
What is this? I don't know. It looked like a car.
It looked like a car. So your car look like this?
I think so. I don't know. I don't think it's that silver.
That's silver. That ain't silver.
Metal.
That ain't metal.
What is it?
It's aluminum.
Titanium.
It ain't titanium. It's aluminum. I guess aluminum is a metal.
See? That like a snake skin.
It looked like a snake skin. It's a turbo blanket.
It make it go fast?
Something like that.
You built all of this?
Oh, Aaron, check it out. I got a story for you. Tell me if you remember this. You ready?
Yeah.
Remember when we used to do donuts in the go-kart in Jasmine Grass?
Fuck you guys.
You was hella ugly, bro.
That was her for sure.
He said the same thing today. Before I hit puberty, y'all was both on me. So
Who's on you?
Dante, don't forget him either.
Who was she lying?
Yeah. I'm lying.
Who's on you?
All of y'all. Three of y'all.
Don't give me the keeping it 100 on the vlog.
Whatever.
So ready?
I am a married woman. This is just. This does not matter.
Hold on.
That is.
It matter.
No, it don't.
She don't want me to tell
No, it don't.
She don't want me to tell her.
I am an amazing woman now. I am like educated, employed.
Yeah, okay. So things got a little heated.
That didn't have nothing to do with me.
And then she left my nigga over here.
Yeah. I'm guilty she gonna leave me over here because she kicking it with me and she supposed to get married.
Bro, she real life ghost on you, bro.
Hey, God, I'm mad.
She left. Oh, no.
Hey, we about to throw the Mark 1s back on here. You about to drop me off?
All right, so we're about to wrap this video up. I'm stuck with Aaron now.
Yep.
I'm probably gonna have to drop him off or something in a little bit.
All right. I have to call my sister.
That was funny what just happened.
Hey, it ain't had nothing to do with me, and I still got left. But it's all right though.
Yeah, we've been knowing Midnight since forever. I've been knowing her just as long as I've been knowing Aaron, so we've all been knowing each other for stupid long. And yeah,
You just took it the wrong way.
yeah, she got mad.
Big facts.
Big mad. That's Aaron's fault though.
Nah, it ain't mine.
Kicking it with girls that's about to get married.
Hey, she gonna let me in. I was gonna do that too.
We're not about to go there. We're about to here. We ain't gonna.
You know what?
We got no rides. We got no cars.
No cars. Unless I change my tires.
We out here. Close
Hey,
that thing.
We out.
So I know I told y'all that we were ending this vlog. You know, I was about to end the vlog earlier, but me and my girl getting ready to go out to her company dinner thing. Look how good she look. You looking like a straight snack right now. How much time we got?
8 minutes.
We got time to pull over real quick, like old times. Go to the park.
We can go to the park after.
Alright, this time I'm in the vlog for sure. Went out to eat. Company dinner things.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speak, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma